Lilypad from Arduino. And what you're looking at right now is the main board. This is called the proto board, and it comes with many kinds of inputs and outputs. There's a buzzer, a tri-colored LED, a push button, a switch, 5 LEDs that are white, a small speaker, a temperature sensor, and a light sensor. And you can program all of these things. This kit also comes with the FTDI board. That's the interface that talks between the computer and the board. It comes with conductive thread and some needles. It comes with a rechargeable battery and the USB cord that connects from the FTDI board to your computer so that you can transfer programs. And it comes with a bag of alligator clips so that you can connect your electronics. This is how it looks when the board is connected to the computer via the FTDI card. This is the basic hookup. Notice that on the board, the main board is labeled with numbers, and each peripheral are also numbered, but these numbers on the peripherals are only necessary while you're developing on the proto board. Also notice that on each of the items there are positive signs and negative signs. This is going to be very important to note when you start sewing it onto your textile. This is what the board looks like once you've broken off some of the pieces. I've used wire snippers to carefully clip them off of the proto board, and I will be using the conductive thread to sew the parts together to the main board for my project. The project I'm building is a little stuffed animal, and I'm going to be sewing some LEDs and the speaker as well as the Arduino board to the fabric. So on here I have traced out where I'm going to be putting my positive connections as well as the ground connections. And then I also made note of my pin numbers as I program it and as I sew it together. Show you where the other LEDs are. I'm going to flip this over, and this will be the back of the creature. And in between I'm putting a layer where I'm going to sew all of the conductive thread. So I have already tacked on the speaker and the 2 white LEDs, which are going to be in the eyes, and the speaker will be in the middle of the body. And then where the heart is going to be, I've tacked it onto the front piece, and it's going to be glowing through the little heart, and then the eyes will glow through the eye sockets. And then this will be the back layer once I've sewn the hands and the arms, the hands and the legs and the tail. This is the body for the creature that I'm making. And yes, he has arms and legs and a tail. He's going to be a raccoon. I'm just not showing them for the purpose of this video. So this is his main body, and I have made it out of felt. And I have already sewn these parts on. On the main body, I have sewn the Arduino board. Now I just have it tacked at this point. So here's a shot now of all the sewing complete. I have all the positives going to all the pins on the Arduino board, and then one long negative. It starts at A5 on the board. It goes to all the negative leads for each of the outputs. So I've turned off the lights so you could see. I've got the lights blinking. The white ones are for the eyes and the red ones for the heart. And if you can hear the sound, it's playing a little song I just have looped over and over.